Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I just finished oil change in my truck. Basically, I take care all my cars by myself. I maintain whatever I can possibly do. So if you do take care your cars by itself, then there is one more really important part to take care after oil change. That's we are going to talk in this video is like cabin air filter. If you see, I have a cabin air filter sitting on my truck. That's cabin air filter especially for Nissan Titan from 2004 to 2012. Before we get to the cabin air filter, how to replace, let's talk about the cabin air filter. What is the purpose of cabin air filter? Like anytime you get in your car and you turn on your AC or heating unit, there's air circulate inside your car. That comes through those filters. Anytime air blows through those vents, like air coming from outside or from inside, it have to pass through those filters. If those filters are clean and new, you will get really good performance. And all cars required this cabin air filter to replace every 15,000 miles. I will say just clean it on every oil change. To access cabin air filter, you have to access through the passenger side, and it is located behind the glove box. This specific method will work with all the Nissan Titan and Armada 2004 to 2012, but I believe more or less all cars are located same area, so probably different screw and different uh, approach you have to make it, but more or less you have to replace cabin air filter through the passenger side. So to replace, simply you have to get behind the glove box. So simply open your glove box, push tabs from the side, and you will be clearly access to your cabin air filter over here. If you see, there is a 8 mm screw, and we are going to remove the socket, and once you remove their cover, there will be two air filters behind this cover, and we will be replacing. While I'm taking the screw off, I just want to talk, there's two different kind of air filters for most of the cars. One is regular and other one is charcoals. If you living or you working in a farming area, might be the best idea to replace with charcoal, and they cost about like $20 plus tax. So once you lose the screw, then you are easy to pull out the plastic, and plastic have a tabs on the top like locking, so you have only one screw. Then you simply squeeze one side and pull those filters out. You take both filters out. You want to clean or vacuum out if there's any dust or any leaves or any particle. And once you done, then you're ready to put new one. Before you put new one in, you need to look on the side. There's a arrow, and it will tell you the which way air flows and which way you're supposed to put those filters on. And simply you just put one first, and then you push on side, then you're ready for second one. But most of cars might you have only one air filter. Once both filters are set correctly inside, now time to put cover back. To put cover back, first we're gonna put those locking tabs on the top, and then we're gonna put the screw back with the 8 mm socket. You don't need to really tight, you simply tight with the hand. And now we're gonna put those tabs back, squeeze both sides in, and you put your all stuff back and you close your glove box. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.